Hey there, welcome to our channel, A Shot of Reality, and in today's video we're going to summarize what global warming is, the effects, causes, and ways in which we can mitigate the impact to our environment. So, what exactly is global warming? According to Wikipedia, global warming is the rising of average temperature of the Earth, which means, in more simple words, that the Earth is warmer. So, why is it bad? Basically, global warming has several effects and consequences on the world. Earth is not used to having a certain amount of temperature. These effects and consequences are not only to humans but also to plants, animals, and basically every type of organism since we are all connected. I will be getting in depth further in the video. But how is this happening? We need to know how to make a change, and this is basically what this channel's principle is. Basically, since industrialization, the earth is warming a lot more because of the massive amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouses like methane who are going to the atmosphere, creating the so-called greenhouse effect, which is when the short wavelength solar rays hit the earth and instead of deflecting, they get stuck inside the atmosphere. Of course, this is a natural process that is meant to happen, but because of the large amount of gases and chemicals released, this effect is now unbalanced, and part of the infrared rays radiated are absorbed by greenhouse gases presented in the atmosphere. As we can see in the following picture, all the process explained. So, what are the consequences of the greenhouse effect? First, glaciers melting. This may sound normal, but it is actually something critical because this can change the whole system of the Earth. Since I already told you guys, Earth and all its organisms are connected. So, when the glaciers melt, sea level rises, and it will be harder for us to live in places near the sea, or harder for the animals to swim in the sea. And according to National Geographic, much of this melting ice contributes to the sea level rise, as I already said before, and basically per year the rising of the sea level is 3.2 millimeters, and if you multiply this by some years, can really banish some coasts. The rise in temperature affects wildlife and animals. Many animals live in this ice and at certain temperatures. There are animals that cannot live in higher temperatures than -1 or 0 Celsius. Also, their habitat is being destroyed, as we can see in the following pictures. But this is not only affecting animals, but also humans. The rise of temperature can also make hurricanes and storms become stronger. Massive catastrophes can be more likely to happen because of the high risk of instability from the earth. And another important issue is that there is going to be less fresh water available because according to National Geographic, glaciers contain about 3/4 of the world's fresh water. And there is a lot more. Diseases can spread more easily and ecosystems will continue to change. Some animals and species will disappear. Precipitation, rain, and snow will increase as well as the wildfires and lost crops. Now, it's time for some solutions. I know sometimes it's hard to see how such a big problem can be targeted with such a small things. We can contribute a lot. Now, the only thing you need to do is to reduce your carbon footprint. So, how? As seen in my first video, you should go watch it. Cows create a huge impact on the environment. And I am not saying that you guys should turn into vegan today, right now. I am saying that only by reducing the amount of meat and other animals' products that you consume is way better for the planet and also for your health. I will be making another video explaining all the benefits of veganism and being vegetarian too. So, another solution that you could have is recycling. It's also really important and easy thing to do. The burning of waste contributes a lot to the greenhouse effect because of the harmful toxins. It's amazing what you can do only by separating in 2 bags, one of organic and the other one with the rest. Factories that are not committed with climate change or green policies produce millions of products full of chemicals, unreusable, just with one purpose: to buy more. We need to be conscious of their businesses in order to overcome it and put the earth first. Trying to reduce the way in which we buy a lot of things can contribute because of what I said before. Factories are only trying us to buy more and more and more. This means more waste, and this means more chemicals to the atmosphere and climate change and greenhouse effect. When it comes to transportation, a bicycle is the most important and sustainable thing, or walking too. Public transportation such as cars and motorcycles and buses are harmful due to the gas emissions. Trying to change your diet a little, it's not gonna make anything really big to you. But if everyone puts a big effort into saving our planet, I think we can get to the target and reduce our carbon footprint and reduce the gases that we release to the atmosphere. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found the information useful. Remember, the references are in the description box, and I hope you guys can think more about this issue and address it. Bye!